ocean is crucial for organisms on Earth. It spans more than 70% of this planet's cover and is a home for a huge variety of species. Not only that, it also manages the world's climate by absorbing greenhouse gases and creating oxygen via processes such as photosynthesis. Despite its significance, the ocean faces various environmental concerns that jeopardize its health and welfare of marine life. Overfishing, disinformation, and shark finning, for illustration, endanger the health and harmony of aquatic ecosystems, causing far-reaching and complex consequences for marine life.
One of the issues at dead zone is hypoxic. A very low oxygen level area is called hypoxic water or hypoxia. This situation develops when aquatic life consumes oxygen faster than it can be replaced. Water bodies receive oxygen from the air and aquatic plants. Marine life needs oxygen from the water to survive. If the oxygen level is low, they become stressed, or even worse, they die. The deeper the water, oxygen can be very low at the bottom of the water. For this situation, we can try to maintain adequate flow by helping to keep rivers connected and also disperse organic materials. Monitoring rapid increases in algae is also the way to prevent it. The public can also help by reporting changes in water quality such as change in color or odor, appearance of dead fish, and fish gasping for air.
There are some ways that can be implemented to solve dead zones. On top of the note, we should manage urban stormwater. It is by implementing green roofs, rain gardens and permeable pavements to reduce and filter stormwater runoff, and enhancing the capacity of wastewater treatment facilities to remove nutrients more effectively. Next, we can conduct ecosystem restoration. This can be done through the re-establishment of wetlands to serve as natural filters that trap and absorb nutrients. Besides that, oyster reef restoration can help since oysters filter water and remove nutrients, helping to improve water quality. Seagrass bed restoration should be considered, as seagrasses absorb nutrients and provide habitat for marine life.
Overfishing is a critical issue that threatens marine ecosystems. It occurs when fish are captured at a faster rate than they can reproduce, leading to a depletion of fish populations. Not only endangers target species, loss of biodiversity and degradation of habitats, but also affects other marine life through bycatch, the unintentional capture of non-target species. This capture can disrupt the marine food web and ecosystem balance. For example, the removal of key predators or prey can lead to cascading effects throughout the ecosystem, altering species composition and ecological functions. Bycatch can also affect the mortality of endangered or vulnerable species, pushing them closer to extinction. Therefore, minimizing bycatch is crucial in addressing the broader issue of overfishing and promoting healthier, more resilient marine ecosystems.
Of the ways to solve overfishing issues. Overfishing is a critical issue that threatens the health of marine ecosystem and the livelihood of millions of people who depend on fisheries. Here are some effective ways to address overfishing. We conduct study on both the biological and socio-economic aspect to assess the present condition of fisheries and track their evolution over time. We collaborate with governments and local communities to develop sustainable fisheries policies and practice, including restriction on fishing gear type to minimize bycatch. We enhance adherence to fishing regulation through enforcement patrol, improving governance and raising awareness among fishers about the harmful effects of overfishing.
Shark fining. The shark fining is the practice of removing a shark fin and dumping the rest of the body at sea. This is because shark fin has higher economic value than shark meat. The shark will be thrown back into the ocean, and the shark die in agony from suffocation, blood loss, or predation. Sharks are top trophic level and critical in maintaining marine ecosystem. In example, sharks feed on a potentially disputed fish population to avoid them from exploding and taking over in marine ecosystem. Next, sharks have a low reproductive rates and repopulation is more difficult. This causes a loss and devastation of shark population in global.
Many issues are that get them access out there. Social media have raised awareness by sharing photos, video, and emission of online content about how good the shark is. Second, public awareness by education. Large public awareness campaign to educate people about the economical importance of shark and the detrimental effect of shark finning. Give encouragement to adopt products made from shark fin and support suitable seafood options. Third, ban shark finning. Implement strict laws that prohibit shark finning. This includes making it illegal to process, clean, and sell shark finning.
In conclusion, a collective effort encompassing policy of fishery reform, sustainable practice, public awareness and scientific advancement is essential to combat shark finning, overfishing and desertion. By adopting a holistic approach, we can safeguard marine biodiversity, ensure sustainable fisheries and protect the health of our ocean for future generations.